Hey everyone, and welcome. Did you know that over 300 million companies around the world are already using AI to grow their businesses? Crazy, right? But here's the real question. How can AI empower your business? Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, running a small team, or managing an entire organization, AI can be an absolute game changer. So today, I want to share 6 powerful ways AI can completely transform the way you work. Let's jump in. 1. Streamline your operations with automation. All right, first off, automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks that eat up your time, like answering customer emails, managing inventory, or scheduling meetings. Instead of spending your precious hours on admin tasks, you can focus on the fun stuff, like growing your business. So if you're not already using AI for automation, come on, what are you waiting for? 2. Unlock smarter, faster decision making. Next up, let's talk about making smarter decisions. You know all the data your business collects, website traffic, sales figures, customer feedback? AI can analyze all that and spot trends you might miss. This way, you can make data-backed decisions faster and with more confidence. Who doesn't want to be a data-driven decision maker, right? 3. Deliver personalized experiences for your customers. Third on the list, personalization. Imagine your customers get recommendations that are tailored just for them. They visit your website and boom, AI shows them exactly what they're looking for before they even know it. That's the magic of personalization. AI helps your customers feel special, and when they feel special, they'll keep coming back. Personalization is key to building strong customer relationships. 4. Boosting productivity across the board. AI also gives your team a productivity boost. Whether it's streamlining workflows or providing real-time insights into what's working and what's not, AI helps your team stay on track and focus on high-impact tasks. The result? You get more done with fewer resources. And let's be honest, we all love more productivity. 5. Better customer support with AI assistance. Let's talk about customer support. AI-powered assistants or chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, so your team doesn't have to be glued to their screens. It's a game changer for businesses that want to provide great support around the clock without burning out their team. Trust me, AI chatbots are the unsung heroes of customer service. 6. Better marketing with AI insights. Finally, AI for marketing. AI can help businesses create more effective marketing campaigns. It can help you figure out the best time to post, the right messaging, and even predict what content your audience will love next. So there you have it, 6 powerful ways AI can empower your business. And hey, if you're thinking about going deeper into AI and tech solutions for your business, companies like JPLoft are always pushing the envelope in AI-powered development, making sure businesses like yours stay ahead of the game.